Imagine what you could accomplish if everything online was secure, fast, and reliable. You could operate without fear of attack. Employees could work from anywhere securely and efficiently while always keeping sensitive data private. Your business would have a critical edge. Cloudflare makes this happen. Our global network protects and accelerates anything connected to the internet. It makes websites, APIs, corporate networks, and distributed workforces safer and faster no matter where they are. That's because Cloudflare is the world's most connected cloud network, spanning hundreds of cities around the world, sitting within milliseconds of customers and employees everywhere. Every location in the Cloudflare network blocks attacks, accelerates traffic, and also deploys serverless code. There are no trade-offs between security and speed, so your business can be safer and faster. Just a few clicks gives your website and network all of these benefits globally. Want to give your business an edge? Discover Cloudflare. We're helping build a better internet.